Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Today, I am Seema Pawan Bojewar presenting class 8 subject English workshop Excuses, a skit. Excuses, a skit. सबबी. पाठामध्ये रितेश हा शाळेतला विद्यार्थी आणि श्रीमती सेन ह्या त्याच्या वर्गशिक्षिका. रितेश बाईंना आत येऊ का असे विचारतो. त्यावेळेस श्रीमती सेन उपहासात्मक त्याला लवकर आल्याचे विचारतात. त्यावेळेस रितेश सांगतो की त्याला येण्यासाठी वेळ झाला, पण तो घरातून वेळेवरच निघाला होता. पण पुढे काय झाले हे श्रीमती सेन विचारता क्षणी तो सांगतो की मी प्रामाणिकपणे सांगत आहे, नेहमीप्रमाणे शाळेत निघालो होतो आणि अर्धा रस्ता पारही केला, पण त्याच्यानंतर फुटपाथवर एक माणूस वेदनेने कणत होता. त्यावेळेस श्रीमती सेन म्हणतात की मग तू त्याला डॉक्टरकडे घेऊन गेला असशील. त्यावेळेस रितेश सांगतो की मला ती संधी मिळाली नाही. तिथून दुकानातून एक माणूस हातात पाकिट घेऊन धावत आला आणि पाठोपाठ दुकानदार चोर चोर पकडा त्याला असे ओरडत पळत आला आणि त्याच्यासोबत तो जो कणत होता तोही माणूस उठला आणि चोराबरोबर पळत सुटला आणि एक क्षणही न दवडता मीही त्यांच्या मागे धावलो, पण मला त्यांना पकडता आले नाही. समोरच्या कोपऱ्यातून ते दोघेही दिसेनासे झाले, अन्यथा मी त्याला पोलीस स्टेशनमध्ये नेले असते. त्यानंतर परत रितेश सांगतो की मला उशीर झाला. एवढेच नाही तर ह्या सगळ्या गडबडीमध्ये मी माझे दप्तर त्या दुकानातच विसरलो आणि म्हणून परत दुकानामध्ये गेलो. पण बाई, तिथे माझ्या दप्तरावर एक केसाळ तपकिरी रंगाचा मोठा कुत्रा बसलेला होता, त्यामुळे मला ते दप्तर घेताच येईना. मग श्रीमती सेन उपहासात्मक त्याला परत विचारतात, छान, मग पुढे काय? मग रितेश परत सांगतो की तो कुत्रा कितीही प्रयत्न केले तरी देखील तो काही हलेना आणि मला दप्तर घेऊन निघता येईना. त्यानंतर दुकानदाराने त्याला एक थोडीशी बिस्किट दिली. बिस्किटचे आकर्षण कुत्र्याला दाखवले आणि दप्तरापासून दूर नेले. त्यानंतर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीत 15 मिनिटे गेली आणि मग मी दप्तर घेऊन शाळेपर्यंत आलो, पण माझ्या मागेच तो कुत्रा येत होता आणि तो लहानसा कुत्रा आणि त्याच्या आईला किंवा मालकाला तो शोधत होता. असे वाटत होते की त्याला त्याच्या मालकाकडे सुपूर्त करावे, त्याला एकटेही सोडता येईना. पण खरी गंमत अशी झाली की त्या पिल्लाने स्वतःच्या मालकाला शोधून काढले आणि त्यानंतर मला कुठे हायसे वाटले आणि मी धावतच शाळेकडे निघालो. त्यानंतर श्रीमती सेन त्यांना सांगतात की तू छान कार्य केले आणि आता एक कथालेखनाची स्पर्धा आहे, त्यामध्ये तू भाग घे. आणि रितेश म्हणतो की मला नाही बुवा गोष्टी रचता येत. वर्कशॉपला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी if you are not subscribed my channel then please subscribe to get notification of new video and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Question 1. Complete the following by inserting the correct words from the skit. 1. The heavy load would not move. Number 2. The police arrived to deal with the crime. Number 3. My friend offered me to eat chocolates in the classroom. 4. I was in mad rush to find my lost notebooks. Number 5. The injured child kept groaning with pain. 6. He stole the cash and vanished in the dark night. Question 2. Rearrange the order of the following events as per the narrator. Events are arranged as per the narrator. 1. Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. 2. A man groaning with pain was lying near the pavement. 3. A thief came running out of a shop. 4. The groaning man joined the thief and ran away. 5. A huge dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. 6. The dog refused to move. 7. The dog began to follow Ritesh to school. 8. The dog itself found its owner. Question 3. Discuss and write the answers in your own words. 1. Were the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival true? Give reasons for your response. Answer. The excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival to school were not true. 1. The man lying and groaning with pain on the pavement started running with the thief. 2. His description of the dog given in two places is different. 3. He had not entered the shop before but said that he had left his bag in the shop. 4. The story of the dog and its owner does not sound convincing. 2. Did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? Answer. No, the teacher did not believe Ritesh's stories. Every time after his false excuse, she remarked something, mockingly and ironically to suggest Ritesh that his excuses were false and he had made up the stories. 3. Why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? Answer. The teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest because she wanted to bring to his notice that whatever excuses he had made were false, and she knew it. So teasingly she suggested him to enter the story writing contest. 4. What according to you is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? Answer. The best way to correct children who are late to school is to make them aware about the importance of time in our life. Teachers should call their parents and ask the reason of his or her late coming. Teacher can convince such students how they lose their studies by coming late. Question 4. Report the following in indirect speech. Ritesh, may I come in, madam? In indirect speech, Ritesh requested the teacher if he could come in. 2. Mrs. Sen, Ritesh, you are too early for second period. Indirect speech. Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too early for the second period. Ritesh, I had left my bag at the shop. Indirect speech. Ritesh said that he had left his bag at the shop. 4. Ritesh, I am sorry, ma'am. Indirect speech. Ritesh told the teacher that he was very sorry. Number 5. Mrs. Sen, there is a story writing competition. Indirect speech. Mrs. Sen said that there was a story writing competition. Question 5. Imagine there is a story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on a notice board. Cover the following points. Name of the competition, at what levels, date, time and venue, duration fixed for writing the story, points to be considered while judging winners, prizes, contact person for the participant entries. Story writing competition. Our school has organized a story writing competition for school children. Competition for the groups of standard 3rd to 5th. You may write any story of your choice, but it must be your own. The competition will be held in our school on Thursday, the 25th January 2018. There is 1 hour for story writing and no limit of words. The last date of receiving entries 15th January. 3 prizes will be considered for student. External judges will judge the winning stories. Points while judging story will be quality of language, style, story writing imagination and newness. Contact Mr. Yadav, sir, for giving your entries. Entry form are available in the school office. Secretary, School Cultural Committee. Thanks for watching this video.